In this business, we see all kinds of lotions and potions and snake oils that typically are unproven. So being involved with this was really an eye-opening experience.
I love the trucking industry. I'm passionate about it. I'm passionate about what we do. I'm Dan Einwechter, Chairman, Founder, CEO of Challenger Motor Freight in Cambridge, Ontario. As a kid, I had a fascination with trucks forever. So in 1975, took the remaining $1,500 in my bank account and started my first business. We have somewhere in excess of 1,300 tractors, 3,000 trailers. We get things from A to B that wouldn't otherwise get from A to B.
My name is Mario De Silva. I've been here for 22 years. I'm the Director of Corporate Services. When we're asked by ESSO to participate in their pilot program to test their diesel-efficient fuel, it just made sense for Challenger, with fuel costs being our second largest cost.
Innovation has played a significant role in our success, willing to try new and different things. We had a great partner to work with, so I think it was perfect for us to do.
Maintenance equipment today is very difficult, so having a solid plan is very, very important. My name is Chris Iveson. I'm Director of Maintenance for the Challenger Group of Companies. At the beginning of the pilot, we were told that we would see a fuel economy savings of close to 2%. Towards the end of the program, we were very happy with the results that we did see.
ESSO approached us and they asked us for 10 trucks, 10 drivers to start the trial with. I am one of the operations managers here at Challenger Motor Freight, so I get a lot of contact with our drivers. We started to hear things about the truck smelling better. We started to hear about the truck being able to pull better, and from the driver's perspective, the truck felt much healthier.
Running a fuel technology such as this will allow us to have a greater longevity of that equipment. Obviously, with a cleaner burning fuel and cleaner operating engines, we have less downtime. If I was talking to another director of maintenance, I would certainly let them know they could also expect to see a reduced overall maintenance cost by using the product.
I think overall the diesel-efficient product would be a good fit. It helps us save costs on the one hand, and it reduces the impact that we have on our environment.
As trucking companies, we have to continue to evolve. We have to continue to be more efficient. I would definitely recommend diesel efficient to other fleets. If you're not using it, take a look at it.